Hey my fellow crafters, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making these cute boxes, or you can say Trinket trays and whatever you call them. So for this I will be using the mold that will make my work so easy. And for the mold you can also put clay, but for the mold I would suggest you to use cement or plaster of Paris. So I will be using plaster of Paris, but you can't put the plaster of Paris as such because it can break. So you have to put a white glue inside first. Then we have to take the plaster of Paris according to the quantity. Here for this bowl I would have taken 4 to 5 spoons of glue, and we have to mix water and we have to wear the gloves for sure, because we have to mix this with the help of our hands. That will not make the clumps, and the mixing will go good. And you have to keep the consistency like this, and you have to keep shaking so that the bubbles go away while putting it on your tray. So this is how you have to keep shaking. Once you have put the plaster of Paris in all the molds, we will let it stay to dry. For this you can leave it for 3 to 4 hours, but I will suggest you to leave it overnight because these silicone molds could be very stiff and difficult to remove. So while removing you can break the molds. So I left them overnight and the results were very amazing. So this is how this tray turned out to be. So this is it. Now it's time to decorate it. If you know how to go with the color, you can also put color inside the plaster of Paris to give it a good color. I will be trying that trick in the next video as well, because I think that would work more. So in that way you will not have to paint the mold afterwards. You can also add the name, you can customize it. You can order these trays from me as well. For that you have to DM me on my Instagram, and I will attach the link as well. You can order from me on littlebit.ae as well. All my products are attached there with their prices, and all the customization is possible. So here I'm making this tray without the name because I think that way it will look more good, but definitely you can add the names as well. You can add name of your couple as a couple name as well, and you can add your first letters with the heart in between as well. All the customization is possible. So here I firstly painted the Trinket tray white, then I changed its color to a little pinkish color it is, with a maroon bow. And I also added these metallic colors to make it look more glossy. The camera couldn't record that holographic effect, but it was giving such a nice look. Next I added resin, and it looked so perfect on this tray. But you need to be very careful with the resin, because when it is in its liquid form it is very toxic, and you should cover your hands with gloves always while using it, and do open your windows while you are just using these. Next I got this polish for resin. So it says that it adds shine to the resin, but I don't think that it added any shine to resin. Yes, but it finished its stickiness. So I like this for this, because it doesn't feel sticky while when you dry the resin dries, it feels sticky for some time. So I also added this polish on this bow box that I made last time with the resin. And here you go, this is the final look of this tray. How pretty it's looking, really aesthetic, and I love the color combination I chose. And do tell me in the comment section in which color should I make next. Stay tuned, and I will be making more things as well, which you should see, because I will be sharing very secret tips as well. So before jumping into the next video, do subscribe my channel for more such videos. So here I made this seashell. I don't know what to call it. It's a very big seashell. So it turned out to be so pretty that I really loved it. See how someone who has made the silicone mold, I really want to appreciate that person, because the details that are added on this shell are so epic. So next we have to do sanding, because it's very important to make these things. They are usually very even, but the lower side is mainly uneven, so we have to even that. Next I will add this metallic colors. On this I didn't add any other color, I just started with the metallic color, and I'm glad I did it because that turned out to be so good. And I think I should have gone with the blue and the pink sea green and the pink color, but in between that I also added purple. So you will tell me in the comment section if you like that purple color, or should I have gone with the sea green and pink color only. So after adding all these color, then at the last when it got dried, I coated it with white color as well, so they all get settled. Inside it I added white and pink color. Next I coated this with resin again, but I think I shouldn't have coated this one with resin because the resin was not spreading evenly, so I should have used varnish on it. So next time when I will make this, I will be using varnish on this one. But the resin one also looks good. Do tell me in the comment section, should I use resin or I should use varnish. So this is how I will store all my rings inside it. It was looking so cute. You can just make one corner that has all your seaside pictures, and the table below would add really an aesthetic vibe to it if you place such things as well. I have a starfish theme mold as well that I will be using in my next video soon, so I will be making that as well, and I will be sharing the picture and the video with you guys. And you can order these things from me as well. You just have to comment under this video, or I will guide you all how you can order. You can go to littlebit.ae to order, or you can just DM me on my Instagram if you are based in UAE, as I'm only delivering in UAE. So next I will be making this bow box that I've already made in acrylic with the help of resin. So this time I will be making it with plaster of Paris. I painted it pink, and I literally swear that this color was so good, but I just chose a darker shade of pink and colored its cover with that. And that the end result I didn't like much because I think that this color was more good. You can tell me in the comment section which color do you like more. Next I added this again, the shine on this, and for this one I used varnish instead of resin. So do tell me in the comment section how does it look. So this is the final look of this box. I hope you like my video. Do subscribe my channel for more such cute easy DIY crafts, and if you want to order these gifts for your special one, you just know where to DM. And this is it for today. We'll meet you next time. Bye bye.